breaches are on the rise. Unlike other cloud storage providers, Proton Drive doesn't scan your files to train AI or serve ads. From contracts and budget spreadsheets to client reports and legal files, Proton Drive keeps your documents secure. Easy for your team, secure by design. Let's say you're a financial consultancy handling sensitive client data. Setup is simple. Just sign up, invite your team, and assign storage. Each user gets 1 terabyte, and as an admin, you'll manage access from a central dashboard. No IT team required. Proton Drive works seamlessly on web, desktop, and mobile. Uploading and managing files is intuitive. You can drag and drop files or folders right into your drive from your browser. On desktop, the Proton Drive app integrates with your File Explorer to sync and organize files automatically. On mobile, you can access, upload, and manage files on the go, whether you're on iOS or Android. And when it's time to share, you stay in control. Add a password, set an expiry date, or collect files from non-Proton users easily. Need to work together? Collaborate in real time with Proton Docs and Proton Sheets. Edit, comment, and share, all in your encrypted workspace. Proton Drive is built with privacy and security at its core. Files are encrypted on your device before they leave it, so only you and those you authorize can access your content. Add 2FA, and let admins monitor sessions and security events to catch anything unusual. Proton Drive is part of the Proton ecosystem, one encrypted workspace with mail, calendar, VPN, and Pass. Proton is ISO 27001 certified, GDPR compliant, SOC 2 Type 2 audited, and HIPAA ready. Our products protect your team's confidentiality, making them a great fit for consulting, finance, healthcare, and legal firms. Based in Switzerland, we keep your data safe under some of the world's strongest privacy laws. Join over 50,000 businesses that trust Proton to keep their work confidential. Confidentiality you can count on.